How to backup and restore your Android with Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a complete backup of your Android using Google Drive and how to restore it easily when switching phones or after a reset. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your phone settings. Scroll down to Google and tap on it. Once you're here, you have to search for a backup. If you cannot find it here, tap on your profile name at the top or tap on the All Services. Now, search for a backup. Tap on Backup. Make sure that the backup is turned on. If it is not, tap on Backup Now and select photos, videos, or other devices that you want to backup. Now, once you have turned on backup from here, if you like to turn on the Google Photos backup as well, so then you have to open up Google Photos in your device. Tap on your profile at the top right and here turn on the backup as well if you want to back up your Google Photos too. So that's how you can back up all of your Google Drive. Now, if you want to restore on a new phone, what you have to do is while setting up your new device, you have to sign in with the same Google account where you have backed up all of your data. There you will have an option to choose backup. So select backup and then tap on restore. Then Google will recover all of your contacts, application, messages, and more. And that's it. Now you have backed up your Android device safely to the cloud and you are ready to restore it anytime, anywhere. That's it and that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, hit like and do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.